Look, I know exactly what you're thinking. Another day at the office, another mind-numbing commute, and another reason to dream about working remotely. Well, what if I told you that switching to a remote or work from home job isn't just a tech expert or for fancy degrees? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 of the easiest remote jobs that companies are desperately trying to fill right now. And you know the best part? Most of these positions don't require any special qualification or years of experience. Plus, you can easily switch from your current career and move toward a better opportunity and pay. So whether you are stuck in a 9-to-5 job that is driving you crazy or you are just starting out on your career journey, these jobs could be your ticket to freedom. Before I start, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. I love making these informative videos for you. So stay connected and hook up with me. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, administrative assistant. Median salary, $45,000. If you are someone who loves staying organized, managing schedules, and handling emails, being a remote administrative assistant could be a great fit. You'll help keep things running smoothly by organizing files, scheduling meetings, and making sure that everything is in order. This role doesn't require a degree, just an excellent organization and communication skill. You will be using tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. And while some positions may require experience with specific software, you will be fine with just the basics. The best part? This is a great stepping stone to higher paying roles in management or executive assistant position. Number 2, bookkeeper. Median salary, $48,700. Do you have a knack for numbers and keeping things in order? As a bookkeeper, you are managing financial records, track transactions, and ensure everything is accurate. You don't need a degree in accounting to start. Many bookkeepers start with just a high school diploma and learn on the job or through short certification courses. This role is perfect for someone who loves working with numbers and looking at the big picture of financial health. As you gain experience, you could move into more advanced accounting roles, making this a great entry-level job with lots of growth and potential. Number 3, content moderator. Median salary, $47,500. If you have an eye for detail and a sense of fairness, working as a content moderator could be a great fit. You'll review user-generated content to ensure it meets community guidelines, removing harmful content and protecting a brand's reputation. This job doesn't usually require a degree, but having one in field like communication or psychology can be a plus. While this job can get repetitive, it's perfect for those who enjoy working independently and making sure things stay safe and clean online. Number 4, data entry clerk. Median salary, $38,800. For those who are quick typers and enjoy accuracy, data entry is an easy entry point into remote work. You'll be entering data into spreadsheets or databases, ensuring everything is organized and accurate. It's a straightforward job that doesn't require a degree, just attention to detail and fast typing skills. If you want to grow in this field, consider moving into data analysis or database management after you gain some experience. Number 5, ESL teacher. Median salary, $51,500. Do you have a passion for helping others learn? As an ESL English as Second Language teacher, you help non-native speakers improve their English skills. This is one of the most rewarding remote jobs, and it's perfect if you love teaching and connecting with people from different cultures. Some companies require a degree in English or education, but there are many platforms that will help you get certified if you don't already have a teaching background. Plus, you can teach from anywhere in the world, making this a flexible and impactful career choice. Number 6, game tester. Median salary $52,200. For all the gamers out there, this one is for you. Game testers play video games to identify bugs, glitches, and other issues before the game is released. You'll need to pay attention to detail and be able to clearly communicate issues to the developers. You don't need a degree to get started, but you do need a solid gaming background. As a game tester, you'll likely have to play through the same section of games repeatedly. So if you're passionate about gaming and problem solving, then this job could be a great fit for you. Number 7, photo editor. Median salary $64,700. Do you have a creative eye and love working with images? As a photo editor, you will work on enhancing and manipulating digital images. You use software like Adobe Photoshop to adjust photos for social media, websites, magazines, or other media. You don't need a degree in graphic design or photography, but having a strong portfolio can go a long way. If you are passionate about design, this job can lead to opportunities in graphic design or creative directions down the line. Number 8, proofreader. Median salary $50,700. If you have a sharp eye for grammar and punctuation, proofreading might be the perfect remote job for you. You will collaborate with writers and editors to ensure that the content is error-free and polished. While some companies prefer candidates with a degree in English or journalism, if you have strong understanding of grammar and formatting, then you can build a great freelance career as a proofreader. Plus, it's a flexible job that you can do in your spare time, making it perfect for beginners. Number 9, call center jobs. Median salary $42,300. Call center jobs are one of the most accessible remote roles. You'll be assisting customers over the phone, answering their questions, and solving problems, and offering support. You need to have excellent communication skills, but no degree is required. These jobs are great for people who enjoy helping others and have a calm, patient demeanor. It's an easy way to get your foot in the door of remote work, and from there, you can advance to specialized customer service roles or even managerial positions. Number 10, customer service jobs. Median salary $44,800. Similar to call center job, remote customer service focus on helping customers resolve issues, answer questions, and provide support. You need to have a strong communication and problem-solving skills. And while most don't require a degree, specialized positions like tech support may need additional training or certification. This is another great entry-level remote job that offers opportunity to specialize in high-demand fields like tech support or healthcare. Once you gain experience, you can increase your earning potential significantly. These 10 jobs are an excellent starting point for anyone looking to break into the remote work. Whether you are looking for a change or a fresh start, there's something here for everyone. And the best part, you don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to get started. For free resources, check out the link in the description and pinned comment below. If you had found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss out on another career tip. Until next time, be freelantastic.